Let's review the Infinix Smart 8. HD Plus yung resolution niya with 90Hz refresh rate at sabi ni Infinix, super fluid touch feeling daw yung may experience mo. Meaning, smooth at responsive yung screen. 6.6 inches yung screen size with 90% screen to body ratio and 500 nits peak brightness. Meron din tong magic ring so mas madali mong ma-access yung mga important notifications. It comes with 64GB of storage and 6GB of RAM with Unisoc T606 chipset. Good na to para sa mga applications na madalas nating ginagamit like Facebook, YouTube, IG, and TikTok. Nagtry ako ng mga games at okay naman yung performance niya. Nakapaglaro naman ako ng maayos at walang FPS drop. Suggest ko lang na ilaw natin yung settings for better performance. 13MP yung main camera and 8MP yung selfie camera. Kung quality yung pag-uusapan, pwede na. I mean, entry-level phone lang to, so not bad na. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng maayos na light source katulad ng sunlight. Madilim nga lang talaga siya pag gabi na. For video, 1080p yung max resolution. Shaky nga lang yung shots kapag may movements. Pero kung may stabilizer naman yung app na gamit mo, walang problema. About sa design, meron tong 4 colors which are Timber Black, Shiny Gold, Crystal Green, and Galaxy White. Nasa side yung fingerprint scanner niya and feel ko matte finish yung back niya. For the sound, it comes with 200% volume and DTS processing. Android version 13 yung OS nito at version 30 na din yung XOS, which means mas mabilis yung pag-launch ng apps, kayang i-handle yung multitasking, and customizable yung user interface. 5,000 mAh yung battery life, enough na for one day of scrolling and streaming. Syempre, kung gagamitin mo to for gaming, ibang usapan na yun. So charging, medyo matagal siya dahil 10 watts lang yung charger niya. On the other side, good pa din dahil matagal malobat. And for only $3,999, hindi ka natalo. Kaya kung interested ka, click the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!